You saw these people where do surprise birthday party for their partner, maybe man or woman. I'm very very sure that that surprise party cannot be for person wey dey quick vex. Maybe person, your partner, wey dey quick vex, and if you vex, you no dey quick forgive. Just imagine it that you throw a surprise party for your partner. You don invite all his friends, all of them don come. They don dey for hall dey wait for you people to arrive, or for celebrants to arrive. So as una dey prepare for house, something come happen. Na your partner begin vex. And you remember, na person wey dey forgive on time. And the party don dey go on. You are trying to tell him to hurry up, let's go to party, let's go somewhere, something like that. And something come happen. Maybe choice of clothes or something, just minor thing happen. Bam, the person don dey vex. You go come dey beg us, babe, it's okay now, it's okay now. And the kind of person he is, leave me, leave me. And party dey go on, surprise party is going on somewhere. How you go take do am? Hey, this life.